Welcome back to my channel, where today we are going to learn how to make the most delicious DIY overload pizza at home. You no longer need to spend big bucks ordering from outside. Follow this recipe, and you'll have a mouth-watering treat ready in no time. Before we start with the recipe, let's go through the ingredients that we will need to get started. Pizza dough, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, green bell pepper, onion, mushrooms, pepperoni, olive oil, Italian seasoning, salt. To prepare the pizza base, take the pizza dough and knead it until it becomes smooth. Then, dust some flour on your work surface and roll the dough into a circular shape. Once done, place the pizza base on a greased pizza sheet and preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a spoon or a ladle to spread it evenly. Don't spread it too thick, or the pizza might become soggy. Spread the tomato sauce on the pizza base with a spoon as the toppings. Now comes the fun part. You can choose any toppings of your liking, but we recommend using green bell pepper, onion, mushrooms, and pepperoni. Make sure to add toppings evenly so that you get a perfect bite every time. You can add more or less depending on your taste buds. Once done, put some mozzarella cheese on top of the toppings evenly. Adding the seasoning and cheese to the pizza, place it in your preheated oven, and bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the cheese is golden brown, take the pizza out of the oven. Slice it into pieces, and your DIY overload pizza is ready to enjoy. For more videos, click the subscription button and hit the notification below.